Alright, hello and welcome back. Let me just adjust this. So again, I won't be starting with the disclaimer because I've come to the conclusion that there's no point in me repeating it all the time. There simply is nothing for sale. No courses, none of that. No point in going into it anymore. If people are looking for it, they won't find it. And it's wasting video time. So let's just get straight to it here on Bloomberg. This is really relevant right here. Fed rates being cut. That's something we're always watching. And the AI boom is still ongoing. So I'm expecting a strong SPY. 5 trillion market cap on Nvidia. That's absolutely insane. And by the way, when you look for headline risk on Bloomberg, when you scroll down, look for big headlines like tariffs, sanctions, Fed cut rates, new market caps that make SPY hop up, AI driven, that kind of stuff. But when you come down to Bloomberg opinion, nothing is relevant anymore. These are all opinion pieces. For example, Ukraine has a plan for victory. Its allies don't. This is completely irrelevant. Some other shit, high frequency trading triggers, a showdown over a London rooftop. Yeah, this is just completely irrelevant. As a trader, it could be good news, interesting news for you, but in our context, no, it's not useful in any way whatsoever. So looking at SPY, it's looking very healthy, very strong. It's gapping up. We haven't had a proper correction in a long while. I'm wondering if I should hold on to a little bit of cash, because when there's a nice correction, I could have the potential to lower my average price. That could be quite interesting. Not that my stock portfolio is big at all. I barely have any money in stocks. So let's go to the dollar index. This is why the SPY is so interesting. And so interesting and so important. It really is something we should at least check, because SPY is almost exclusively bought in dollars, so that when SPY is sold, there will be a demand for dollars, and when SPY is bought, people are giving up their dollars for SPY. That's why we're seeing relatively stagnant, or not stagnant, stable is a better word, because the currency stable and pretty low dollar, which is fine. So let's get to the pairs that we entered. I know someone in the Discord entered this one, so it's looking whatever. Not the greatest, not the worst. I mean, it could have just went right back up. So just stay in it. No point in doing anything with this one. The other one as well, it's looking alright. Nothing to really comment on with this one. Nah. Just let them run. And move sell loss if they start popping down. Let's look at the potential that we set now. Usually I record a little bit later because I want to be closer to candle close, a full 1 day candle close. However, because this pair is so close to triggering, I decided to make a video now. I could have waited 2 hours, but with this indecision candle right here, there is a potential opening for a classic reversal. Just remember to follow everything I put out in the beginner guide. Stick to it. Ain't nothing to it but stick to it. Something like that. And I would be entering probably something rather conservative like that. You can also go for a full 2.0 R if you're stricter with the entry, with the sell loss, but I wouldn't go above these levels right here. No, I would definitely not. So a little bit of wiggle room, but I don't want to push how much wiggle room there is either. So that's what it would look like for me. I'm going to put that in. So if that triggers, that triggers. That's a valid 12-hour entry. Let me just check the 1 day. That's not in the way. No, that's a double support reinforcement for it, making it an even better trade. So I'm definitely sticking by that. And now let's start going through some pairs. not gonna waste too much time going through them. I'm gonna go through them rather quick. See if there's anything of major interest that catch my eye. Okay, that's very interesting. That's a rebound right there in that zone. That might be a potential that's triggering right now. Let's keep going. What the fuck is this? Oh, sorry. Let me look at it again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's the ATH one. Nothing. Let me zoom a little bit in. Wow. That's money. Yeah. Wow. The fuck? These need new levels. Without a doubt. Get the fuck out of here. What is this? It's the screenshots from my copy trades. They copy into C Trader. It's strange. That's fine. Slow, fine level right there. Yeah. We just need a new level. So it's hitting that, but this would technically be more right. But it doesn't fit. And this isn't invalid as either, because here you're going body stick, and that's fine. But I'd rather have body as the newest because body is stronger. This is the more valid setup. So yeah, we'll mark this one as well, and we'll discuss it. We'll look at it. I'm not gonna read this. Is just a cross pair, so I'm not gonna bother. What the fuck is this? No, range too small. Again, no. It's like gold. Yeah. Oh man, I really want to trade it, but it's still not there. As for oil, crude, let's see. No, again, no. There's nothing. Okay, so we got two potentials. This one I might just mark. Right. No, I'm not gonna do it yet. And then we've got this one. Let me pop up on that. So this one I already set a setup for the 12-hour. Very interesting looking trade. I'll post it in my Discord. I'll do it now so I don't forget it later. Also, I really recommend against this copy trading. Like, so many people do it and it never leads you to anything. Like, for real. Here we have a potential breakout. It's a bit clearer on the. I want it to climb a little bit more. Yeah. Something like that. It is a high strong. It is still valid though. So it would look something like this. With these, like I always say, either they turn around or they don't. Just get the fuck out if they don't turn around. There's no point staying in these. Wait, what? One more 5 seconds. Or we can do a little bit more. Yeah, we can do 2.0 on this one. The reason I'm saying we can do 2.0 is because the sell loss has just moved straight to break even. When it goes up 0.3%, I'm at break even, because if it turns back around, then it's a nah most of the time. So that looks, yeah, that looks fairly interesting. Yeah, there'll be some new highs if it turns around from those highs, those levels right there. Can't imagine there being too much volume, and we're already seeing price having a rebound effect from here, showing that it might already be ranging. Yes, it is, from an SR area that's older. So sort of a continuation. Approaching inflation here, would have to cut it down, but not for this breakout. Let's go to the next pair. Here we already have, again, it's crashing though, but Oof, this is a down going pair, but yeah, we have another classic reversal in our potentials that we're looking at. Let me see. This entering this would make it my third cross pair, JPY, JPY, JPY. So beyond that, that's my cross pair max risk. So no more cross pairs like that. This one would be something similar. I'm gonna have to see how the candle closed though. It's not uncommon for candles to spurg the fuck out before the market closes. Yeah, it's fine. Let me post all these into this. What did I just post? Yeah, only one of them. This one. And let's post this one. I want people to watch the videos and not just copy trade though. When I'm posting with the setups like this, a lot of people will just copy trade. Also, I'm coming with a really cool announcement soon regarding the Discord. And no, it's not some sales shit, don't worry about it. But I want to make it competitive, the whole thing. No, there's going to be no affiliates, nothing. There's going to be nothing like that. But we already have a little bit of competition going on with people being marked as locked in and that kind of stuff. But it's fun for me when I see young guys become profitable and not fucking wage slave. I'm already old as shit, so I already chose my path. Oh, what the fuck is this? Let me see. What is this a trade? Belarusian election presidential. I don't know. I don't remember saving it. That's everything, yeah. That's everything I've got for today. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. You can also hop in the Discord. Everyone is welcome in the Discord. I also answer questions there, and there's a lot of other active traders. We have a lot of different chat rooms as well. You don't have to just talk about trading. It's a little nice community. It's a very nice one as well. We have a vast range of people. There's not just currency and commodities traders. We also have some options and stock traders and that kind of thing. It will be linked in the description. I hope to see you in there. That's all I've got. So thank you. Bye bye. See you.